Ones complement method for subtraction. First we will see what is ones complement. Ones complement of a given binary number is obtained by inverting all the bits in given binary number, that is by replacing 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. We can also get ones complement of a given binary number by subtracting given binary number from 1. For example, suppose we have 1011. So, ones complement of 1011 will be 0100. Also we can get ones complement by subtracting 1011 from 1111. So, here we will get 0010. Now, we will see ones complement method for subtraction. First, we will see the procedure. First step, suppose we have to find a minus b. So, first step will be add ones complement of subtrahend, that is b, to minuend, that is a. Second step, if carry is present, answer is positive, and add carry to LSB of obtained answer. Third step, if carry is absent, answer is negative, and in its ones complement form. So, take ones complement of obtained answer to get final result. So, we will see an example here. Suppose we have 52 minus 70. So, first we will convert 52 into binary number. So, here a will be 52 and in its binary form we get 110100. Similarly, for 70, b will be 010001. Now, here minuend is 52 and subtrahend is 17. Now according to the procedure, first we have to find 1's complement of 17, that is we have to find b dash for 17. So here we will get 1 0 1 1 1 0. We have to add a, that is 52, with our 1's complement of b dash, that is 1's complement of 17. So here we have 1 0 1 1 1 0. So after addition here we will get 0 1 0 carry, again here 0 carry 0 carry, and here we will get 1 1. Now we can see that there is a carry present over here, so we are going to add this carry to our LSB of obtained answer. So here we will get 1 1 0 0 0 1. If we convert this back into decimal number, we will get 35. As we know that 52 minus 17 will be 35. So final answer will be 1 0 0 0 1 1 for our subtraction, which is nothing but 35 in decimal. Now we will see one more example. If we have 17 minus 52, so here minuend will be 17 and subtrahend will be 52. So 17 will be A and 52 will be B. Now again we have to write the binary form for 17. We get 0 1 0 0 0 1, and for B, that is 52, we get 1 1 0 1 0 1. Sorry, it will be 0. Now we will find B dash, that is 1's complement of 52. Here we will get 0 0 1 0 1 1. We add this B dash with A, 0 1 0 0 0 1. B dash is 0 0 1 0 1 1. When we add this, we get 1 1 will be 0 1, again 0 1 1 1 1, and here we will get 0. Now here we can see that there is no carry present over here, so the obtained answer is negative. Now this answer is in 1's complement form, so we have to find 1's complement of answer. So we get 1 0 0 0 1 1. Now if we convert this back into decimal number, we will get 35, but in this case it will be negative. Thank you.